Let's go. We'll wait for the R1. I think the GSXR's a little bit louder than yours at idle, yeah. Yeah, this looks so nice. So nice this thing looks. Of course, the GSXR looks very slick too, though. All right, let's get out of here. So nice. Look at those flames, bro. It's fast, bro. This R1 is really fast. Ask her if she has any baddie friends, because we go to Texas.
No, she said yes.
Yeah? Oh, that's good. Let's go. Damn, so it's just me and you right now, bro.
Okay.
Well, oh, I guess. Oh, he's right there. There he is.
Oh, he's on the old 500.
Yeah. Or 400. I don't really know what it is. I have no idea what bike it is. I forgot. He's chill though, super chill dude. ¿Qué onda, Sony?
¿Qué rollo, bro? Hey, what's up, bro?
How are you, bro? Si ves que él va muy rápido, si ves que yo voy muy rápido, just let us go. Y siempre nos paramos and we'll wait for each other. But it's an easy ride, and the place that we're going to is crowded. Allá están muchas motos. You're gonna like it. Do you need gas? ¿Te ocupas gas? Alrighty. We're about to go. Hey, sigue. Alright guys, on today's episode, R1 and my boy with the Kawasaki Ninja and the GSXR1000. We're gonna hit some canyons today. Cutting up over there, oh shit. Thank you for stopping traffic. Oh, no Thank problem, you. Bro. Yeah, appreciate that.
Back on the freeway.
Yeah. Thank you.
Just stay with us then.
All right. Where are you guys going?
We're going to the Rock Canyon.
Oh, Canyon? But you guys going to the rock store?
Yeah.
Right oh, okay. It's bikes all day around here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. There's gonna be a lot. All right, we are leaving now. We're all just cruising right now. This is a nice long straightaway. So CHP likes to hide back there, so the cops like to hide off this turn. So it's always good to slow down. Oh, that one you just tighten it though.
Pero ese sí es ya, ¿no?
No, aquí you have to tighten it. Ah, no me traje mi llave, Allen.
No, está bien, así andamos desde hace mucho.
Oh shit. Bro, that shit is loose. God, it sounds so good. Huh?
What tire mode do you ride in?
A. It's like the fastest one. God damn, that shit sounds good. Let's go, baby. Sheesh. Yes, sir. All right, let's go. Oh, what a turn! That's one of my most favorite turns, honestly. Alright, here we go. Oh, this turn right here is so crazy. Throttle control, throttle control. Where you going, bro? They got some nice cars. They got some cool cars. Alright, the turn coming up, I always tell people to slow down. I always tell people to slow down. Probably parking there. Oh, shit's done. Alright, wait.
¿Ya viste? Así se me fue en las curvas cuando me salí.
Bro, look at his rear brake.
¿Qué pasó?
I think he's got.
No, what happened?
I think he needs to bleed it.
Yes, sí, de...
Damn, a lot of bikers were here today.
A lo
Want to get that table right there? Hey, you want to go through the canyon and then you go home? Yeah. Okay. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I hit my boot back there in the turn. Gosh. Woo, my boy's over there, Sonny. Go ahead, buddy. I am surprised my boy Sonny was down to come through.